Hello, I am Akshar, presenting the Teksun ASTRA AGNI powered by Intel Celeron 1.99 GHz processor. Teksun has designed and developed the ASTRA AGNI device to support Industry 4.0 applications. ASTRA has an Intel Celeron 1.99 GHz processor that runs on Linux Debian and Windows, make it reliable for smooth operations. ASTRA AGNI device has a capacitive 10-inch touch IPS Anti-Glare with 178-degree viewing angle display. ASTRA AGNI device has a multiple Industry 4.0 use cases like industrial HMI, industrial embedded PC, EDGEAI application, predictive maintenance. Let me walk you through ASTRA AGNI's significant features. ASTRA device is a compact design with dimensions 317 by 258 by 67 mm and a lightweight aluminum body that can easily fit into industrial needs. The device is made up of aluminum alloy, which makes it strong and rugged. ASTRA device can mount easily on the wall and industrial panel. Let me boot up the ASTRA AGNI device and walk you through its features. Now I will enter the password. You can see that ASTRA AGNI has an antenna port, to RS-232 COM signal interface, HDMI output with 720p output resolution and VGA port, 2 number of USB 2.0 port, 2 number of Ethernet port, power input via DC power 9 to 36 volt, 3.5 mm audio and mic jack. It has power on-off switch, keyboard and mouse supported, heat dissipation back cover, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi option, OpenGL ES 2.0 graphics support, SIM card slot with 4G, 3G, 2G connectivity, 4GB DDR3 RAM options, 8GB or 16GB ROM options. It has an operating temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius and storage temperature of -30 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. ASTRA AGNI can fit any embedded applications with required customization of the hardware and software level to make it best choice for IoT and artificial intelligence enable applications use cases. For more exciting solutions, you can visit our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/TeksunMicroSys. Thank you.